Welcome back. I am Pratap here. Today is 16th October 2023. So the content in this video is useful to the people who already completed demand and supply zone price action training program. So those who are learning supply and demand zone price action will be able to understand this information after completing your training program. Okay, let us generate demand and supply zones for entry time frame daily. Let us find the stocks which are near to the daily demand zone, and this is the filter list. 13 stocks are near to the daily demand zone, and we have few high liquidity zones. Bank Nifty is at high liquidity demand zone, which is already tested 6 times and having 10 rejections, and it is at the equilibrium, and risk reward is not good. The only favorable is your monthly trend is up, weekly trend is up, and daily trend is up. Any other high liquidity? Yeah, we have OFSS, which is already tested once. Last report also it was listed. And the next one is PNB, Punjab National Bank. And it is already tested 3 times and having 4 rejections. And the location is good. It is low on the curve. What about the trend? Monthly is sideways, weekly is up, and daily is uptrend. So trend and locations are in our favor. Because it is already tested 3 times, you should look for a deep entry or a fresh 75 minutes demand zone at lower time frames. If you look into the risk reward, it's not good, but we can fine tune at the lower time frame. If you fine tune at lower time frame, and if you are able to find good risk reward, you can take this trade. So these are all the high liquidity demand zones for the stocks near to the daily demand zone. Let's go back. For the entry time frame daily, let us filter the stocks which are near to the daily supply zone. And 9 stocks are filtered. Let's look for high liquidity zones. Concur is a high liquidity zone, but it is already pierced, so we are not looking into this stock. So we don't have any high liquidity supply zones near to the stocks near to the daily supply zone. Okay, let's go back and find the stocks which are inside demand and supply zones. Entry time frame is daily. Let us filter the stocks where price closed inside daily demand zone. And this is the filtered list. So total 22 stocks are filtered where price closed inside daily demand zone. So let's go back. For entry time frame daily, let us filter the stocks where price closed inside daily supply zone. This is the filtered list. Look for the high liquidity zones. If you want to study any particular stock in this report, pause our video because I keep on scrolling down. So total 48 stocks are closed inside daily supply zone. Let's go back and find the tested zones. So entry time frame is daily. Let us find the daily tested demand zones. So these 6 stocks are tested. Okay, let's go back. Let's find daily tested supply zones. Entry time frame is daily. So let us filter daily tested supply zone. So these are the daily tested supply zones. So total 20 supply zones are tested. Let's go back and find the newly created zones. Entry time frame is daily. Let us find the stocks having newly created demand zones. So these 8 stocks are having newly created demand zones. Let's go back. For entry time frame daily, let us find newly created supply zones. So these 3 stocks are having newly created supply zones. So the list is very small today. You know the reason, because today the overall market is moved in a specific narrow range. So this is about the filter list. Now I'm generating demand and supply zones for all the stocks. So entry time frame daily. So this is the total list of the stocks. I will keep on scrolling this list. So whichever the stock you want to refer, there you please pause the video and study the parameters. I will be giving few seconds time before scrolling down. So this is the filtered list. I'm sorry. This is a list of all the stocks having demand and supply zones. I wish this information is useful to you for your further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.